Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Sini and I'm thrilled to have Janani with me as we dive into the mastering data migration, organization, and team collaboration in WorkDrive.
Thank you for that.
So, with over 55 plus business apps spanning nearly every major business category, Zoho stands as one of the world's most prolific technology companies, headquartered in Austin, Texas, with our international hub in Chennai, India. We are proud to announce that we have reached a remarkable milestone, serving 100 million plus users globally. Zoho is now the first bootstrapped SaaS company to achieve this feat.
On that positive note, Sini, I would like to come to a topic that data migration, organization, and team collaboration are critical for any document management system. So ensuring smooth file transfer, structured data management, and efficient teamwork. Without these, businesses can suffer from data chaos, miscommunication, and lost productivity. A well-organized system not only centralizes access but also keeps teams aligned, driving better match results. So this is where Zoho WorkDrive truly shines. It's not just a DMS, it's a complete workspace. With powerful migration tools, you can easily transfer all your files without any hassle. Its intelligent organization features ensure that every document is right where it needs to be, making access fast and effortless. And when it comes to collaboration, WorkDrive allows your teams to work together in real time, share feedback instantly, and stay synced at all times. Whether you're managing internal tasks or sharing with external partners, WorkDrive keeps everything flowing. So in this webinar, we will show you how to tap into the full potential of WorkDrive so you can take your time and document management and collaboration to the next level. Now that we have highlighted the importance of data migration and team collaboration, let's move to the tool that makes it all happen. It's Zoho WorkDrive.
All right, so well said, Janani. So Zoho WorkDrive is a cloud-based file management system that simplifies document storage, organization, and the collaboration for teams, no matter the size of their collaboration or their location as well.
Yeah, exactly. So it's not just about storing files, it's about enabling teams to work together, share feedback, and stay aligned in real time and all in one platform.
That's great. And adding to this, can you quickly walk us through what we'll cover for the day?
Sure. So we'll be covering how WorkDrive acts as a unified platform for data access, its collaborative features with the latest updates, and quick data structuring and search data. And we have data control and monitoring, and how you can access WorkDrive from anytime, anywhere.
Right, that sounds fantastic, Janani. So we have got something exciting today lined up for this webinar. And I can't wait to dive into how WorkDrive is transforming the way we manage and collaborate our data. Let's get started. To kick things off, we are diving into how WorkDrive stands as a cohesive platform to access your data. And can you walk us through what that means and what the attendees can expect to learn today, Janani?
Absolutely. So today we are going to explore how WorkDrive simplifies data access from multiple sources. So we'll be covering importing data from other cloud services and show you how easy it is to migrate your organization's data from platforms you're currently using. We'll also dive into the internal integrations between Zoho apps, letting you manage everything in one place. And then the external integrations with other tools you rely on daily basis. By the end of this, you will see how WorkDrive can unify your workflows and boost collaboration within your team.
That sounds like a game changer. I'm sure everyone's eager to see how all these integrations come together. Now, can you tell us about the Cloud Picker feature here?
Absolutely. So the Cloud Picker option in Zoho WorkDrive allows you to easily import files from various cloud storage services, including Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, OneDrive, and Evernote. So this feature enhances your productivity by providing a centralized hub for all your files.
Sounds really incredibly useful. Can you share a practical example of how someone might use this feature?
Certainly. So imagine you're collaborating on a project with your team and you have files stored across multiple platforms. With the Cloud Picker, you can import those necessary files directly into Zoho WorkDrive. So ensuring everyone has access to the latest versions. So this helps maintain organization and efficiency in your workflow.
I love that. So what are the steps for picking files from other cloud services here?
Great question. So just simply click the plus new button to select import from cloud and authenticate your account and browse to attach your files directly to WorkDrive.
It's fantastic. It seems like a straightforward process that can significantly enhance file management.
Yes, you're right. Now, moving to our next feature. So let's talk about the inbuilt migration tool in Zoho WorkDrive, which allows you to seamlessly migrate your data from Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive directly into Zoho WorkDrive.
Interesting, but we already have the Cloud Picker. Then why would we need another migration tool here?
That's a great question. So the Cloud Picker is perfect for importing few files. Perhaps you want to update a file version or quickly bring in a document to continue working in WorkDrive. But the migration tool is designed for much larger tasks. It's ideal when you're transitioning from one platform like Google, Dropbox, or OneDrive to WorkDrive entirely. Let's say a growing business is using Google Drive but wants to consolidate their document management under Zoho WorkDrive for better integration and team collaboration. So instead of importing files individually, the migration tool allows them to transfer their entire library of documents, saving time and ensuring a smooth transition of data, especially useful during the large-scale migrations.
That makes a lot of sense and really highlights the value of migration tools. So what's next in store to see?
Now that we have covered the migration tool, let's talk about something equally important: integration between Zoho apps. So Zoho WorkDrive serves as the centralized document repository for all Zoho apps, making it easier to access and manage documents across your entire suite. So integration is key within the Zoho ecosystem, allowing for efficient data management and improving overall productivity. So here are some examples of how Zoho WorkDrive integrates with other Zoho applications. So let's start with Begin and WorkDrive, where you'll be able to create unique links using the file cabinet, and this will allow customers to securely upload and share files. And then we have the Zoho Click and WorkDrive integration, where this enables flexible collaboration by allowing you to share files directly in Click. And then we have Zoho Connect and WorkDrive integration. Here you will be able to insert files from WorkDrive within Zoho Connect and also add files directly to your WorkDrive storage from Connect. And then finally we have the Zoho Mail and WorkDrive integration. So this WorkDrive, here you will have a picker in Mail, lets you to insert files from your account as an email attachment or link. So this simplifies the sharing and communication process from Mail and Drive.
That's impressive. It's clear that integration within Zoho ecosystem is crucial for a smoother workflow. So what's next? Can you tell us about integration with external apps and how that works with WorkDrive?
Sure, Sini. That's a great question too. So here, external integration is just as important as internal integration. So Zoho WorkDrive is incredibly flexible, not only within the Zoho ecosystem, but also with external apps. So we understand that many users are accustomed to working with certain platforms, and just because you have transitioned to WorkDrive, it doesn't mean you need to change everything at once. So WorkDrive gives you the freedom to integrate with your preferred tools, so making the switch smoother and more efficient for your workflow. So here is a quick look at how WorkDrive integrates with some popular external platforms. Let's start with WorkDrive with MS Office Suite add-on. So if your team frequently uses Microsoft Office, WorkDrive allows you to create and edit your files directly within the Office suite while saving them securely on WorkDrive. So for example, if you're working on a complex Excel sheet, you can continue editing in Office and sync it to the WorkDrive, ensuring your data remains accessible and safe. And then we have the WorkDrive Outlook added. So this integration lets you save or pick and manage your email attachments from Outlook directly into WorkDrive. Say you receive an important document via email, simply save it to your WorkDrive account without switching platforms, so keeping your documents organized and within reach. So then we have the WorkDrive and Gmail add-on, so which is similar to Outlook, but this adds-on ensures you are in control of your files by allowing you to move attachments from Gmail into WorkDrive seamlessly. So you can quickly pick or store and manage important files straight from your inbox. And finally, we have the WorkDrive plus Zapier integration. So with Zapier, you can connect WorkDrive to various web apps, so automating workflows across different platforms. And let's say, for example, you can set up a Zap to automatically save a file uploaded to Dropbox into WorkDrive, so helping your team stay organized and productive here.
That's really impressive, Janani. It's clear that WorkDrive doesn't limit users, allowing for full flexibility with the tools they are already familiar with. So now let's move on to our next topic, enhanced collaboration with our newest updates. In the upcoming slides, we'll dive into some exciting new features designed to elevate your team's collaboration efforts, from previewing file formats and using our image and PDF editors to creating video chapters and adding watermarks to documents. These updates ensure you're working smarter and not harder. So, Janani, can you tell us more about the file preview functionality in WorkDrive? How does it enhance the user experience here?
Sure, Sini. So here with WorkDrive, you can instantly preview files without the need to fully open them. You can also use the navigation arrows to quickly flip through files within a folder or album. Plus, WorkDrive supports over 220 different file formats for previewing. So for example, in the media and advertising sector, teams often manage multiple file types like images, videos, or presentations. So instead of downloading or opening each file individually, they can quickly preview the content, making it easy to locate the right files and saving valuable time.
That's really helpful, especially for teams juggling different file types. So what's next? Can you walk us through the image and PDF editors?
Sure. So image editing has become an essential part of modern businesses, whether it's for making quick updates, collaborating with team members, or emphasizing key elements within an image. So with Zoho WorkDrive's built-in image, you can efficiently handle these tasks without leaving the platform. So for instance, a real estate agency might use the image editor to quickly update photos or properties of highlighting key features and adding notes or cropping or blurring out unnecessary elements, which allowing them to share polished images with clients or the teams. And then we have the other built-in tool, which is our PDF editor, which is a powerful online tool built to edit PDF documents. You can edit text, overlay and annotate images, add fillable forms and digital signature fields, and you can reorder pages and much more. So imagine a legal team working on a contract. They can use the PDF editor to directly modify the contract, add signature fields for clients, and annotate important clauses. So all within the same platform. This would speeding up without switching from different editor applications.
That's impressive, Janani. Both the image editor and the PDF editor seems like essential tools for any business. So what's next? I see something about creating chapters and videos. Can you tell us more about that? It sounds really interesting.
Yes, of course. So video chapters are a fantastic way to break up a video into multiple sections. So this making it easier for viewers to navigate the content. So by adding chapters, viewers can quickly see what's covered and jump to the specific topic they are most interested in. So all you need to do is enter the list of timestamps along with the chapter titles in the video description. So for example, a training team could use video chapters to break down a lengthy tutorial into different modules like introduction, step-by-step guide, and key takeaways. This way, learners can skip to the section that's most relevant to them, ensuring a more focused and efficient learning experience.
That's a great feature, especially for longer videos. So what's next? I believe the final topic in this segment is about adding watermarks to documents. Could you explain how that works?
Absolutely. So, watermarking is a critical tool for safeguarding your content from unauthorized use, copying, or theft. So, by adding watermarks, whether as text, logos, or images, you not only protect your digital assets but also enhance brand visibility. It ensures your brand stays recognizable across digital platforms. So, for example, a marketing agency can watermark their campaign documents and creative designs with their logo. So, this not only promotes brand recognition but also ensures that even if their content is shared externally, their credibility remains intact. Additionally, it acts as a strong deterrent against unauthorized use, giving peace of mind that the content is well protected.
Makes perfect sense. So, with those benefits, watermarking really adds a layer of professionalism and protection. With that, we have wrapped up this segment. So now let's move on to our next important topic, structure and search your data quickly within WorkDrive. So when it comes to organizing your data, WorkDrive offers features like say labels and data templates that allows you to easily structure your files, making them easier to locate and manage. And when it's time to find specific content, WorkDrive's smart search options are incredibly powerful. You can search by keyword, use OCR to find text within scanned documents, or even use object detection to search for images with specific objects. And it doesn't stop there. You can also search by location, time, creator, and file type. All these tools make locating the exact file you need faster than ever.
Thank you for that intro, Sini. So the first in line for data structure is labels in Zoho WorkDrive. Labels make it easy to identify and access files and folders across the platform. You can assign labels based on things like priority, status, or tasks. Once you have added a label, all items associated with it can be quickly viewed at any time. So for example, if you are regularly working on presentation ideas, you can label those files accordingly. Then, when it's time to gather content for an upcoming meeting, you can simply filter by that label and access all related documents in one place.
That's great. And it's important to note that these labels are for personal use, making them a private, faster access point or shortcut to your documents without interference from others.
Exactly, Sini. So building on that, while labels are for personal organization, WorkDrive offers an advanced feature for team collaboration that's called the data templates. So every day, teams generate unstructured data like documents, audio files, images, and videos. So data templates help you categorize and manage this data effectively. For instance, if you're managing legal contracts, you can add meaningful metadata fields like client information, contract value, and renewal dates. So this allows for better classification, making files easier to store, search, and manage. So what's great in this is that you can enforce the use of data templates at different levels, whether it's team folder, or subfolder, ensuring that important details are captured whenever a file is uploaded, created, or moved.
That's incredibly helpful for organizing and manage large volume of data. These features definitely enhance how teams can collaborate and stay organized.
Yes, and now let's move on to searching files by keyword. So, have you ever felt like you were searching for a needle in a haystack when trying to find a specific document?
Yes.
No worries. WorkDrive's advanced feature search function is designed to help you find your files quickly and efficiently. Instead of manually going through a long list of documents, you can use keyword searches to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, not just by the file name, but by the text within the document itself. Whether it's a contract, presentation, or report, WorkDrive allows you to locate it using specific keywords mentioned inside the document. So imagine a situation where a marketing team is looking for a presentation draft with certain campaign details. They can simply enter the relevant keywords and retrieve the file in seconds.
That sounds like a real time saver. I'm curious now, what about the other search options like OCR and object detection? How do they work?
Great question. So, to further expand the search capabilities and speed up data discovery, WorkDrive introduces OCR, which is optical character recognition and object detection. So, these features make finding images files easier, which is especially useful for industries that heavily rely on visuals. So, with OCR, WorkDrive converts images into searchable metadata, allowing you to find an image or document with images by simply searching for text within them. So, whether it's a scanned document or a photo with text, WorkDrive pulls up any image containing the text you searched for. And there is object detection. This feature allows you to search for an image by typing the name of an object like person, bicycle, or car. WorkDrive will then display all the images that contain those objects. So right now we support 80 objects and we are continuously adding more. So which you can refer from our WorkDrive's knowledge base article.
It's fantastic. These tools really seem to enhance the search experience. So what other options do we have to make retrieving documents even more efficient?
Okay, for that, to build on that, we previously discussed how data templates allow you to create custom fields to better organize your documents. Now, with data templates, you can search for files and filter them based on the custom fields you have set up. So, for instance, in a recruitment scenario, you might want to quickly identify candidates who are open to relocating near the office based on their job roles. So, by setting specific criteria, WorkDrive can swiftly pull up all relevant documents, making the process far more efficient. So this means you're not limited to searching by just file names or locations. You can also specify conditions to narrow down exactly the documents that you need.
So insightful, Janani. So with that, we have reached the conclusion of our segment on structuring and searching files and folders. Now we are moving on to our next segment, control and monitor the changes happening with your data. In this section, we'll explore some important features, including follow updates, team folder settings, and managing changes through notifications. These tools are designated to help you stay informed and in control of your data, ensuring smooth collaboration within your team.
Thank you for that introduction. So in WorkDrive, we provide options to track document activity at various levels, whether it's for a specific file, a team folder, or even across the entire WorkDrive team. So, but by leveraging follow updates feature, you can follow important files and folders to stay updated on all changes made by your collaborators. For files, you will receive notifications for version updates, renaming, and comments. For folders, you will get notifications for actions like creating, uploading, and adding or removing items.
Incredibly useful. For instance, if you are working on a collaborative project, following the relevant documents ensures that you're always informed about the latest changes, which can help maintain alignment among team members. Now, what can you tell us about the team folder settings, Janani?
Okay, now let's take a quick look at how you can manage various settings within a team folder. So let's start with the team folder type. You can either have private or public team folder, and as admin, you can easily switch between the two. And then we have file upload via email, so where admins can enable email uploads, so allowing team members and external users to send files directly to a unique team folder email address. And then with external sharing, you can decide whether files and folders can be shared outside the team. And we have the download restrictions, where admins can allow or restrict downloads and printing of files for team members and external users. And finally, we have the file conversion option, where you can choose whether newly uploaded documents should be automatically converted to Zoho WorkDrive, Zoho Office Suite files, which is Writer, Sheet, and Show.
Okay. That's great overview. Understanding these settings really helps in managing collaboration effectively. So now let's move on to the next feature regarding notifications.
Regarding notifications, to keep you informed about the activities in your team and team folders, Zoho WorkDrive provides notifications in 3 different ways. You will receive global or built notifications for real-time updates, which you can access anytime. Additionally, unread notifications will help you catch up on missed updates. For those who prefer email communication, email notifications ensure you stay informed about important changes and activities directly in your inbox.
Okay, that sounds essential for effective collaboration. And now we have come to the final segment of our webinar where we will discuss how you can access WorkDrive from anywhere, anytime using the mobile and the desktop tools.
Thank you for that. So for teams that are always on the move, mobile devices have become the new laptops. So get ready for your big conference while waiting to board your flight without the need to open your laptop. Zoho WorkDrive mobile apps are available for both iOS and Android. With the WorkDrive mobile app, you can easily scan documents and upload them to digitize your files. You can also take photos, record audio notes, use the scribble feature to jot down ideas, and even edit or share documents, all right from your mobile device and on the go.
Okay, that's great. So what about the desktop app? How does it enhance productivity?
Okay, with the desktop TrueSync application, accessing your files is as easy as browsing your local folders. You can right-click on any document and open in its native desktop application, whether it's Word, Excel, or any other software you prefer. Once you make changes, the app ensures that all updates are automatically synced to the cloud, maintaining real-time synchronization between your desktop and Zoho WorkDrive. You no longer need to worry about manually uploading or updating files. The changes are mirrored across all devices, providing instant up-to-date access from anywhere. And on the other hand, we have the desktop TrueSync application allows you to sync files between your desktop and WorkDrive effortlessly. So you can access all your files directly from your desktop without taking up additional storage space. Any changes made in your local folders are automatically updated in WorkDrive, ensuring you always have the latest version of your documents at your fingertips. Plus, you can work offline and your files will sync as soon as you reconnect.
That's great. Thank you so much for the insightful explanation, Janani. And now we have reached the end of our webinar, and you can also give us a call with the given numbers there in that contact us more. And we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all the wonderful participants who joined us today and really engaged throughout the session. We hope you found the session on mastering data migration, organization, and team collaboration in WorkDrive valuable and informative. Thank you again for joining us, and we will look forward to seeing you at our future webinars. It's been a pleasure being a part of this session with all of you, and we appreciate your participation and can't wait to connect with you again soon. Thank you again.
Thank you all once again.